A fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video and in today's video I will be showing you guys how you guys can buy Tether, also known as USDT, and Kraken. But before that, for those people who do not know USDT or in another what Tether and Kraken, let me give you guys a short description to what that is. You guys would know what you guys are dealing with. Well, basically Kraken is a website, or in another word is a crypto exchange, and by crypto exchange I mean it's a place where you guys can buy and sell crypto. So it's basically similar to Coinbase and Binance. Alright, so if you guys want to sign up into it or want to create an account into it, I will leave a referral link in the description for that, which you guys can use to sign up into it. And for those people who do not know Tether, then basically Tether is a stable currency, or in another word, stable crypto. Why is it stable? Because its value is always going to be equal to $1. It's never going to go up than that. It's never going to go down than that. That's why it's called stable, because it's stable. It's $1 always. Alright. That's why it's called stable coin. And basically, if you guys want to buy it in Kraken, follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's move on with today's video. So the first step is come to kraken.com, which is the official website of Kraken, and log in into your account. Once you do that, you want to click on this little search icon over here, and then you want to choose USDT/USD over here. Once you choose on trade over here, you want to enter the amount of USDT you want to buy. So I'm going to be buying USDT, in another word Tether, using USD, which means US dollar. But since its value is equal to $1, it doesn't make any difference. Like for $1 1 Tether, the only difference it's going to make is the amount Kraken is going to charge you for its trading fee. All right, now just click on buy USDT with USD, and the Tether will be bought. But I can't click the button because I have not yet verified my account. But if you guys have, then you can click on the button and buy it. So hope you guys understand. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and bye bye everybody.